Hello guys, we are going to see IPL prediction project version 2 with a beautiful user interface attached to it. This is the project folder where we have the app.py which will handle the web server issues. It will have number of routes especially for the home page, and then we have the static folder with all the images of various teams and the templates folder hosting the HTML files. So in order to execute this, go to the command prompt and just issue this command python app.py, launching our app. While this starts up, let us have a look at the coding in VS Code, the best editor out there. Here you go. So we load the trained model, which comes from the previous phase of loading the data set and training it. So that machine learning pre-trained model is used now in our Flask web application to show the user homepage with the parameters. And once they enter the parameters and hit submit, those will come here. And we use that trained model to get a prediction out of this and display that to the user. I hope the site is up and running now. Yes, looks like it. Let's open the browser and make a request for our web page. Guys, this is going to be really interesting. Again, the power of open source. Here you go. So a stunning interface with the Flask. As you can see, the various teams. Now, the all-important form over here, where user can provide all the parameters, which team is playing against the opponent, and then where is this match taking place, and then you can just provide the other relevant inputs, how many runs you are expecting, and some inputs from our side. And then click the predict score, and the algorithm provides us the possible score that will be outcome of this particular match. So give it a shot and post your doubts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel.